Pristine SCS is predominantly a commercial cleaning company specialising in high-level cleaning. We've got a rope access team of ARAD certified rope access technicians. We specialise in doing all sorts of exterior cleaning, i.e. window cleaning, facade cleaning of some of the largest landmark buildings in London. It
can be anywhere from a small little individual shop in Mayfair to Battersea, which is one of the biggest regeneration sites in Europe at the minute. So if there's windows to be cleaned, we're going to clean them.
I decided to start Pristine because I've been doing this since I'd left school for other companies, and as I've worked my way throughout the industry and I've learned more and more about the industry, I just realised that I could be doing this for myself because I could be doing it better.
A lot of the time we have to adapt to what's happening out on the roads, and we have teams out and about different locations. Sometimes it can be traffic, sometimes it can be a job not being what you expect it to be based on the survey. So a lot of times we have to think quick, adapt, and make sure we always overcome our challenges to deliver the best service we can to our clients. We used to use a field service software, but we needed something that was more tuned in to the small business nature that we've got, something that was more focused on client side and more deeply focused on the teams we have on the road. And essentially we just searched the market, see what was out there. We found ServiceM8, we trialled ServiceM8, and we loved everything it did.
I can't be on every job. That was the difficulty basically in running the company, and having that feeling of I need to let go, I need to relinquish responsibility to other people and trust them to go off and do it how I want to do it. So how I'm going to do that is by clear instructions, so being able to set out a checklist of what I want to be done, being able to have a bit of software where we can actually create audits. We can attach the RAMs to the job card so that the employees can read it, sign it, that they've read it, understood it, and then taken all of the pictures to evidence that it's been done on site.
The moment we upload our photos, the moment we sign the job off, it is literally sent straight to the office on the computer. We get a phone call like, yeah, well done, thank you, and we're already on the way to our next job.
It's important to know where everyone is at any time, be able to see how long they're spending on jobs, travel costs involved with the jobs, material costs, getting proof of deliveries and sign-offs, and that again helps to point to allow us to deliver the exceptional customer service that we do.
It's changed the way I work by making it a bit more efficient. So we can save a bit of time, we can claw back a bit of time, maybe even get another job in that we previously wouldn't have been able to get in on that day.
ServiceM8 is actually now a critical tool in helping our business increase the efficiency of what we do.
I feel that ServiceM8 helps us to succeed because of the fact that it allows us complete transparency into everything. The future of the company is that we'd like to be industry leaders in London. You know, if we could position ourselves at the top of our own industry in London, in the capital of our country, I'd be a happy man with that.